Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Lucidchart layers. In this walkthrough, we'll go over the basic process of creating a layer, naming it, and assigning a shape to that layer inside Lucidchart. Layers are useful because they help you organize diagram elements and control what appears together, which can make complex charts much easier to manage. To begin, open the sample project in Lucidchart so you have a file ready to work in. Once the document is open, look toward the bottom area of the interface and click on Layer. This opens the layer controls where you can manage the different visual sections of your diagram. Next, click New Layer. This creates a fresh layer that you can use for specific objects or content. After that, click on the layer name so you can change it. Renaming layers is a good habit because it helps you quickly recognize what each layer is for, especially if your document grows over time. Choose a clear name that matches the content you plan to place there. Now add a sample shape to the canvas. This gives you an object to work with as you test how layers function in the document. Once the shape is on the page, right-click on that sample shape to open its context menu. From there, scroll down through the menu and click More Actions. This will reveal additional options related to the selected object. In that expanded menu, click Layers. You should now see the available layer options for that shape. Finally, select the layer you want the shape to belong to. This assigns the object to that specific layer, allowing you to organize it separately from other elements in the diagram. Once assigned, that shape will follow the visibility and organization settings of the chosen layer. As a quick tip, if you're working with multiple objects, naming your layers clearly from the start can save time later when you need to edit or present your diagram. It also makes collaboration easier since other people can immediately understand how the file is structured. And that's the basic process for using Lucidchart layers. Open your project, create a new layer, rename it, add a shape, and assign that shape to the correct layer through the right-click menu. With just a few clicks, you can make your diagrams cleaner, more flexible, and easier to manage. Thanks for following along.